Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I am still in Rize, as you guys can see, and today we are going on a tour. It's me and Kubra. We are waiting on the bus station for the tour to pick us up. We are here way too early.
Araca geçelim. Bir gezin, fotoğraf çekip alalım.
Sen de bırakabilirsin.
Hala
Kalkmama. We just had our food and there's like some spots left that we gotta do, and then after that maybe we'll head back. But look at this beauty. Oh my god. Alright, let's go and have chai. We just came and ordered chai in this cute cafe. I mean, look at all of this and the view in the back. If you come to Aizer and you're going to the Shilale upstairs, it's right beneath on the first side, this cafe. You guys have to come here. Gidelim mi? Yok, şaka mı? Hadi gel gidelim.